The global helicopter market welcomes two ambitious contenders, TAI's T-625 Gokbey from Turkey and HAL's light utility helicopter from India. Both aim to become workhorses of the skies, fulfilling a variety of roles, from search and rescue to medical evacuation and even military operations. Gokbey, meaning Sky Lord in Turkish, represents Turkey's commitment to becoming self-reliant in helicopter technology. It's a clean-sheet design, aiming at the civilian and military markets with its 6-ton class capabilities, offering versatility and advanced avionics. India, with its vast operating environments, seeks a modern replacement for its aging fleet, ensuring reliability and efficiency. HAL LUH, a 3-ton class helicopter, promises a rugged and agile platform for challenging missions, capable of operating in high altitudes and extreme conditions. These two helicopters, while different in size and scope, represent the aspirations of their respective nations in the aerospace domain, showcasing their engineering prowess. Their arrival heralds a new era of competition and innovation in the rotorcraft sector, pushing the boundaries of what modern helicopters can achieve. Both helicopters are powered by turboshaft engines, reflecting the industry standard for their class, ensuring power and efficiency. They feature modern, crash-resistant airframes built for demanding conditions, prioritizing safety and durability. The Gokbey and LUH, while new to the scene, have already generated significant interest from potential operators worldwide, marking their entry as significant milestones in the global helicopter market. The Gokbey and LUH, though both classified as utility helicopters, have distinct design philosophies driven by their intended roles and operational requirements. Gokbey, the larger of the two, prioritizes heavy lifting and passenger capacity, making it suitable for a variety of demanding tasks. Its twin-engine configuration, using CTS 800 4AT turboshafts, delivers substantial power for high-altitude operations and demanding missions, ensuring reliability and performance. HAL LUH, focusing on agility and operational flexibility, opts for a single Safran Ardiden 1U engine, which is known for its efficiency and reliability. This choice provides a good power-to-weight ratio, crucial for maneuvering in tight spaces and hot and high conditions often encountered in India, enhancing its versatility. This difference in engine choice reflects the helicopter's targeted operational scenarios and the specific needs they aim to fulfill. Gokbey aims for a wider range of missions, including troop transport, search and rescue, and potential maritime operations, showcasing its adaptability. The LUH, with its emphasis on maneuverability and a smaller logistical footprint, appears ideally suited for light transport, reconnaissance, and casualty evacuation missions, making it a versatile choice for various scenarios. Comparing the performance figures of the Gokbey and LUH paints a clearer picture of their respective strengths and capabilities. Gokbey boasts a maximum speed of 306 km per hour and a range exceeding 740 kilometers, making it a formidable choice for long-distance missions. Its maximum takeoff weight of 6,050 kilograms allows for a substantial payload, carrying up to 12 passengers or over 1,500 kilograms of cargo, which is ideal for heavy-duty operations. LUH, true to its light utility classification, has a more modest maximum speed of 245 km per hour and a range of 350 km, suitable for shorter, more agile missions. Its maximum takeoff weight is 3,850 kilograms, enabling it to carry up to 7 passengers or a payload of 700 kilograms, making it perfect for lighter, more flexible tasks. These figures highlight the different operational envelopes and mission profiles of the two helicopters, showcasing their unique strengths. Gokbey excels in scenarios requiring larger payloads, longer ranges, and higher speeds, making it suitable for transporting troops, conducting search and rescue operations over large areas, and potentially serving as a platform for specialized missions such as medical evacuations or firefighting. LUH, with its focus on agility and a lighter footprint, proves ideal for quick insertions, casualty evacuations, and reconnaissance, particularly in challenging geographical conditions where maneuverability is key.